It's time to up your grilling game with mutton chops. These are no ordinary cuts. We're talking about tender, juicy pieces of meat just begging for some love on the grill. Mutton, from sheep older than a year, brings a depth of flavor that's been missing from your life. It's got character, a robust taste that screams I'm not messing around. And when cooked right, it's an absolute dream. Don't be intimidated by this cut. It's simpler than you think. We're going to break down every step, from choosing the right chops to plating up a masterpiece. By the end of this, you'll be the king or queen of the grill. Your friends will be begging for your secret. So put on your apron, fire up that grill, and let's get started. The marinade is where the magic happens. It's not just about adding flavor, it's about tenderizing the meat and creating a symphony of taste that'll make your taste buds sing. First, we need yogurt. It's a natural tenderizer, breaking down those tough proteins and making the meat fall off the bone delicious. Then we add some spice. Ginger garlic paste is a must-have. It adds a fiery kick and infuses the mutton with its aromatic goodness. Next, the real flavor bombs. Ground cumin, coriander, turmeric, and a touch of chili powder. These spices are the heart and soul of our marinade, adding warmth, earthiness, and a touch of heat. A squeeze of lemon juice brightens everything up. Finally, salt, because even a masterpiece needs seasoning. Mix it all up, and you've got yourself a marinade that's ready to transform those mutton chops into pure culinary gold. Now this is where things get serious. Marinating isn't just about tossing the meat in a bowl and hoping for the best. It's about showing the mutton some love, giving it time to soak up all those beautiful flavors. Grab a large, shallow dish. You want the marinade to coat every inch of those chops. Place the mutton chops in the dish and pour that glorious marinade all over them. Massage it in, making sure every nook and cranny is covered. Cover the dish with cling film and let it rest in the fridge for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight. Trust me, the longer it marinates, the more flavorful and tender it'll be. This is where the magic truly happens. Don't even think about skipping this step. Patience is key, you hear me? Right, enough waiting around. It's time to fire up the grill. Get those flames going and make sure the grill is nice and hot. You want to sear the mutton, locking in all those juices. Carefully place the marinated mutton chops on the hot grill. Now, listen carefully. You only need to cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes per side for medium rare. Don't you dare overcook these beauties. Use a meat thermometer to check for doneness. 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 55 to 57 degrees Celsius, is what we're aiming for. Remember, mutton continues to cook even after you take it off the grill. Once they're cooked to perfection, remove them from the grill and let them rest for a few minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in the most tender and flavorful mutton chops you've ever tasted. We've come this far. Don't mess it up now. Plating is an art, and we're not serving slop here. We want those mutton chops to look as good as they taste. Get yourself a nice platter, something rustic and elegant. Arrange the grilled mutton chops on the platter, making sure they're the star of the show. Now, let's add some color and freshness. A sprinkle of chopped cilantro adds vibrancy and a touch of herby goodness. Serve those glorious mutton chops with a side of roasted vegetables or a simple salad. A wedge of lemon adds a touch of acidity that cuts through the richness of the meat. There you have it, a master.